So now this is where we start to generate some images for our moving animation. So we've got these prompts here. I basically have decided that what I want to do is to expand on these prompts, and of course what you can do is to go to one of these prompts again. So let's go to Midjourney and we'll click on Midjourney, and then what we can do is take that in and we can put that into Midjourney, and we can sort of add some other elements to this to really try and expand upon it. So here I'm adding 16:9 because I wanted, you know, to be able to play, for example, on YouTube, ultra HD super resolution. Now let's sort of see what type of thing this comes back with, what type of prompts it develops. Okay, this isn't so good. It's not really recognized Bristol. So what I would do here is take this again, put it in here, and maybe if I put in Bristol UK futuristic, could put that there. I also want to put in something around the some key landmarks for Bristol for this particular thing. So are there balloons and okay, these are two landmarks in Bristol, which I particularly want in there. So let's see what it comes back with this. Okay, so it's recognizing Bristol now, which is good. So sometimes, you know, you just have to give it a helping hand. A breathtaking aerial view, majestic air balloons above, Clifton Suspension Bridge, spin the Avon Gorge, that is part of Bristol as well. Futuristic urban landscape with towering neon lights. Yep. I mean, this is cyberpunk illustrated by cinematic. I mean, that is a particularly good prompt there for what I'm sort of looking for. I also want to put in add, let's see if it comes back with this. So I want it, you know, the style of the Gorillaz music video, drawing from the inspiration of envisage a panoramic view of. Yeah, I mean, that is really close to what I would sort of be looking for. So I've got a prompt here which I've been playing around with myself, which is a mixture of this and another prompt. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Playground because this is my preferred AI creation. Now I'll show you here that I've actually been playing around with this a little bit myself, but I'm going to show you how I got here. So basically I played around with these. I added some of the filters here. I used this one, Neon Mercher. I didn't quite like this. I much prefer this sort of stuff, and this is like dreamy and weird. So I'm going to show you how I sort of got there. I'll start again, and we're going to go here, and I'm going to put in this prompt, which I've been playing around with. So I'm curious to see what will happen. I'm going to want 4 of these. I'm going to take this off because I don't particularly like this one. So I'm going to take off any of the filters. I'm not going to add anything here. I definitely want to take that off. So there's nothing here that and let's see what it generates. Okay, what's interesting, I played around with a couple of prompts. You see, these have sort of got this particular look and feel. Compared to these are what I really like. So what I'm going to do is click on, maybe I quite like this. Maybe I'll click on that, and let's go I'm going to use that as a basis of the image. Let's take this down here, but I'm going to keep the same prompts again, and I want it, you know, something like that, just so it's got that sort of look and feel to it. And let's see what it comes up with. Let's check this. Okay, yep. Okay, let's sort of see whether it gets a little bit closer to what I'm looking for. Okay, so it's come out with some nice ones. I really quite like this. This looks like a suspension bridge. Really nice, like that a lot. So what I'm going to do is go for this one, and I'm going to generate some again here. See what it comes up with. I may do I want to change any of this? I don't think so, so I'm going to let that. I may take out this style because what it's not doing, I think it's clashing between the Gorillas prompt and this. I think it's confusing it, so I'm going to take this out. See what it comes up with using that. You sort of see basically what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, playing around with different prompts, different styles, seeing what sort of comes up, and you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, and that's just how you start to learn how to generate these things. Okay, I'm just going to settle on this one for now. It's not exactly what I would be looking for, but I do like it. I think it's a really interesting style, sort of animation style. So what I'm going to do is generate this to a much higher quality. So the way I do that would be, I just want to do basically just going to take this here, regenerate that, but make it larger, and then quality. Actually, what I could do is do the prompt. I'm going to do the prompt guidance one last time, I think, just to sort of see what it comes up with. I'm just curious. So I like it. I'm going to do very close. Just see if it comes up with anything a little bit. Take this out. I don't want to overlap there. Okay. Do one more and then we'll see. Then we'll settle. That's the problem with this. You can sort of get really sort of sucked down into oh, I just want to change this, I just want to change that, take that in, take that out, and you spend a lot of time doing that. So it's really helpful if you have a very clear idea of exactly what you want, and then you can sort of edit it and take out the various sort of things that you don't like, or else you spend a very long time doing it. So let's have one more look. They're all very similar anyway. Yeah, I think I'm going to just settle on this for now. So go for that. We're going to zoom out, take that down there. Quality is fairly high. There we go. Prompt guidance, I'm going to make it very high like that. I only want one, else it'll take a long time to generate. Okay, so let's let this generate now. Okay, so this is what we've settled on. And what I'm going to do is download it now in a sort of higher quality, and then I'll show you in the next video how we can get this to start to move.